Struggling to track conversions on your Namecheap site? Here is exactly how to install Metapixel in under 2 minutes. No complicated coding, no digging around in source files. We are going to do this together right now. So here is the plan. We will start from your Namecheap Site Builder dashboard, hop into the settings, link your Facebook pixel, and save it. That is it. Just 8 simple clicks from start to finish. This is going to be fast and painless, so let me walk you through it. All right, first things first, open up your Namecheap website builder. You want to head to the section where you either edit an existing site or create a new one. This is your main dashboard, the home base for everything. Now, I have got visual screenshots right here from a real Namecheap interface, so you can see exactly what I am seeing. That way, there is no guesswork. Now, click on the highlighted area. This is the specific button or link that opens your site editor. Think of it as unlocking the door to your website so we can get inside and start making changes. Go ahead and click that. Next, navigate over to the Integrations section. This is where all the magic happens. Integrations is just a fancy word for connecting outside tools to your website. So Facebook, Google Analytics, all of that lives right here. Look for the tab or menu item that says Integrations and click on it. From the list of available integrations, find and select Metapixel. It should be clearly labeled. Click on that. Now you will see an option that says Link Facebook Pixel. Click on that button. This is where we actually make the connection between your Namecheap site and your Facebook ad account. It might take a moment to load, so just give it a second to process. Here is where you need to pay attention. A drop-down menu will appear with all the pixels associated with your Facebook account. Click on Select the pixel you want to set up and choose the specific pixel you need. If you only have one, it is a pretty easy decision. But if you have multiple, make sure you pick the right one. You do not want to track data from your online store with a pixel meant for your blog. So once you have selected the correct pixel, click on the highlighted option to confirm your choice. This is basically saying, yes, I want this specific pixel, not any other one. And finally, the last step. Click on Save FB Pixel. This locks everything in. Your Metapixel is now live on your Namecheap website. From this moment on, Facebook will start capturing visitor data, tracking conversions, and allowing you to retarget people who visit your site. And that is really all there is to it. You went from having zero tracking on your Namecheap site to having a fully integrated Metapixel in just a handful of clicks. No developer needed, no copy-pasting code, just you and your website working together. Thanks for following along, and I will see you in the next one.